going to continue our discussions on the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. At this point, we're going to discuss the derivative of arctangent u and the derivative of arcsine u. So, for arctangent u, we're going to use this formula here. d over dx of arctangent u is equal to du over dx over 1 plus u squared. For arcsine u, we're going to use this formula here. The derivative of arcsine u is equal to d over dx over the square root of 1 minus u squared. So, we have two inverse trigonometric functions that we're going to discuss. For the first one, so let's start. We're going to differentiate y is equal to x arctangent 1/2 x. So, our u here is 1/2 x. But first, as you will notice, we have two factors here, x and arctangent 1/2 x. So, to solve this kind of problem, we're going to use the product rule. So, our product rule is the derivative of uv is equal to vd over dx plus u dv over dx. So, we're going to apply the product rule, this product rule here. Excuse me. So, the y prime of this given here, so we're going to use arctangent, we're going to write arctangent 1/2 x and find the derivative of x, which is 1. And then, x times the derivative of arctangent 1/2 x, which is our formula here, d over dx of 1/2 x over the derivative of u here, 1/2 x, over 1 plus u squared, which is 1/2 x, the quantity squared. So to continue, we have here arctangent 1/2 x. So this one here, we disregard that. Plus 1/2 over 1, So this one here, the derivative of 1/2 x. This, sorry for, so where am I? Derivative of this one here, So this one is our u, So the square of 1/2 x is, So we continue. Arctangent of 1/2 x, or arctangent 1/2 x plus 1/2 over 1 plus the square of this one is 1/4 x squared. And then y prime is equal to arctangent 1/2 x plus, so we multiply 1/2 by the inverse of this denominator here. So the LCD of the denominator is 4. So this one becomes 4 plus x squared, then this 4 here. We multiply this 4 here to the numerator. So 1/2 times 4. So by doing that, we will get this answer here. Arctangent 1/2 x plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 plus x squared. So to simplify further, 4 plus x squared, the LCD of this whole thing here. So this one, arctangent 1/2 x times 4 plus 4 plus x squared is 4 plus x squared times the quantity 1 arctangent 1/2 x plus 2 over 4 plus x squared. So this will be our complete answer here. So we go to number 2. So the given y is equal to a squared arcsine x over a minus x times this radical here, a squared, the square root of a squared minus x squared. So since is a constant, we will not touch this one. Just put this outside the differential. No? So, a squared times the derivative of arcsin x over a, which is our u, minus, no, this is applying the product rule here. This is u, ub, no, b square root of a squared minus x squared times derivative of x, which is 1, plus, no, x, no, where's our x here, no? So this is, we have x here, no? So this one, we have x here, no? Excuse me. So we continue this one. No, this one is a squared, no? The derivative of arcsin x, as we have said, no, lately, a squared, this 1 half a, no, 1 over a is the derivative of x over a, which is 1 over a. So the derivative of arcsin is 1 minus u squared, but our u squared is x over a, so we squared x over a, no, 1 in the squared, minus square root of a squared minus x squared, plus, so since this is x, no, so we have x here, and the derivative of this negative x squared is negative 2x over, no, 2 over square root of a squared minus x squared, no. So this one becomes, since this is a squared minus a squared quantity 1 half, so we subtract 1 to the exponent, it becomes the denominator, which is 2 times square root of a squared minus x squared. So we have two terms here, no, this is one, and this one, and this is the term. So we simplify first this term here, no. So this one is 1 over a, and this a here becomes 1 over a squared, no, x squared over a squared, and then we can factor this one out and then get the square root of that. The square root of 1 over a squared is equal to 1 over a over, times the square root of a squared minus x squared. So as you can see, we can cancel this one now, since they are the same, no? Minus, this one is square root of a squared minus x squared, and this one becomes negative 2x squared over 2, so we cancel out 2 here. Now what remains is negative x squared over square root of a squared minus x squared. So we get the LCD, no, this one cancels out, and the 2 cancels out also. The LCD is square root of a squared minus x squared. So if we multiply this 3 times here by the LCD, this one becomes the whole term a squared minus x squared. So it becomes a squared minus x squared. So this one, a squared minus this term here, becomes a whole term, a squared minus x squared, minus x squared over the quantity, the square root of a squared minus x squared. So if we subtract a squared minus x squared, so this a squared minus a squared cancels out, and we have here negative, this one is negative 2x squared, so it becomes positive. It becomes 2x squared positive, no? So negative times negative, no? Over the denominator a squared minus x squared. So our final answer is y prime is equal to 2x squared times over square root of a squared minus x squared. So this will be our final answer. So to get more problems here, thank you again for watching our videos today. And to get to see more, no, of our problems and solutions, please visit my YouTube channel by Wilfredo Tan, and click that subscribe button. You subscribe, and then click also that notification bell. If ever you have some suggestions or uh, comments, please do so, and we gladly appreciate it and consider it so that we can improve our next presentations. So thank you, and see you again later.